Hello and welcome to Luxembourg. We're here for Intertrust Group's Private Market Insights event. I'm Tony Griffiths with Global Fund Media, and I'm here with Intertrust Group's David Sarfas. David, welcome.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
So we've seen recently that Luxembourg has hit record highs in terms of the number and the assets under management for alternative investment funds. What's driving that growth?
Well, I think traditionally Luxembourg has been a very favorable jurisdiction for alternative asset funds, and especially the administration of these funds. And the infrastructure that you have in Luxembourg is nearly second to none. So I think the fact that Luxembourg has always been present in the alternative asset fund management industry has definitely helped and contributed towards the development of that industry in Europe. So I think that the record high assets under management in this jurisdiction is primarily driven as a result and a testimony to all the history of building up that infrastructure here in this location.
Now, obviously, Luxembourg isn't the only jurisdiction available.
That's
what
for
kind
sure.
What kind of questions should managers be asking when they're choosing between jurisdictions?
Well, I think the questions that they should be asking themselves, always have to do with the investor population they're dealing with, and what works best for those investors. Of course, you have the whole onshoring, offshoring type of conversation that needs to happen, but depending on what they want to achieve in their investment vehicles, there are different jurisdictions that are able to provide, adequate types of financial structuring. And Luxembourg clearly has some extremely good structures that are very helpful for the alternative asset industry. But I think it's really the underlying assets and the investments that the fund wants to have, as well as the investor type that will dictate what jurisdiction to choose. I think today, a lot of investors and mostly, a lot of the actors in the industry are very comfortable and understand completely, the requirements and the environment, the ecosystem around alternative investment funds here in Luxembourg, which makes it such a dominant jurisdiction.
So more growth to come.
Absolutely.
David, thank you for your insight.
Thank you very much.